Okay, guys, we have been working with blends, right? Blends. I'm going to write the word blends up here, okay? Blends. Everyone say blends.
Blends.
Okay, blends are two consonants that are friends, okay? And they go together, but you still hear both of their sounds, okay? Well, this week we're going to talk about ending blends. If I say end, does that mean at the beginning of the word or the last part of the word? The last part of the word. That's what ending means. Ending means at the very end or the back part of the word, okay? So we're going to look at some ending blends, okay? We have some ending blends up here, and I know they're small, so I'm going to write them on the board, okay? Let's look at these letters. N and D. What does N say? N. What does D say? D. Put it together. Nd. Everyone go nd. Okay? Let's look. What are these two letters, Harmony? What letters? What's the name of the letters? M and what? P. Very good. The N says what? What does the M say? What does the P say? Put it together. Everyone go Okay, let's look at my next blend. I have what two letters?
N and a T.
N and a T. Very good. What does the N say? What does the T say? Put it together. Okay. Let's look at my next blend. This one we've already learned because this one can come at the beginning of the word or the end of the word. What two letters are these?
S-T.
S and T. Very good. What does S say? What does T say? Put it together. Okay. And let's look at this one. This blend we've already learned because it can also come at the beginning of the word. So this one can come at the beginning or the end, okay? What are these two letters?
S-K.
S and K. What does the S say? What does the K say? Put it together. Not S. Everyone goes. Very good. Okay. Now, what you had is we're going to review. We're going to look at some pictures, okay? And we have to listen for the final blend in the word, okay? Let's look at number 1. This is a picture of a what? Hand. Hand. What blend did you hear in hand? What two letters did you hear? N and D. Huh? And. So I saw the N and the D. I want you to check your work because to make sure your N is half the size, it only touches the dotted line, and the D is a tall letter. Check your work. If it's not done correctly, written correctly, I want you to write it neatly. Remember, where do we start our letters? At the top, okay? Because we have to have beautiful writing in first grade. Let's look at number 2. This is a bird's what? Nest. Let's sound out the word nest. I want everyone to do their arms with me. Ready? Arms are ready? Let's chop it up. Here we go. What blend did you hear at the end of nest? And what letters go? What two letters? Name them for me.
S-T.
S and T. Good. S is a small letter because it's lowercase. And the T is a tall, big line down, cross in the middle. Good. Nest. Check your work. All right, number 3. This is not a picture of a pot. We see a pot, though. And it's not a flower, okay? But it's something that's green that grows in a pot. Who can tell me what that is?
A tree.
Nope, it's not a tree. A tree doesn't grow in a pot. Okay?
A plant.
A plant. Everyone say plant.
Plant.
Okay, get your arms ready. Everyone's arms ready? Let's chop it up. Pull and of plant?
T.
Okay, that's the last sound. That's the very last one. What did I hear? Plant.
P.
What? What did you know? What did you hear before the t? Plant. N-T. That's your final blend. All right. This right here, number 4, this is a small body of water. It's not a puddle. It's bigger than a puddle. What is that picture of?
Pool.
No, it's not a pool. It kind of looks like a pool, but a pool doesn't have plants growing out of it, okay? What would this be?
Frog little.
Okay, I don't see a frog.
A pond.
A pond. Everyone say pond.
Pond.
Okay, get your arms ready. Let's chop it up. Everybody, here we go. Pond. What did you hear at the end of pond? N and D. Very good. Okay. Oh, number 5. What's that a picture of?
A nest.
A what? What is this? You're sitting at it.
Desk. Desk.
A desk. Everyone say desk.
Desk.
All right, we have to let's chop it up and let's listen for the final blend. Here we go. D-E-S-K. All right, what was the last 2 words, or not 2 words, I'm sorry, 2 letters that blend in desk? What are the last 2? What's the blend in desk at the end? S-K, thank you. So little s, make sure it's little. The K is a big line down, and then your slants do not go above your dotted line. Desk. And the last one, number 6, what is this a picture of?
Light.
It's different. It does have a light in it. You sit it on your nightstand or an end table. A lamp. Everyone say lamp.
Lamp.
All right, let's get your chopping arms up. Here we go. Here we go. L-A-M-P. What did you hear at the end of lamp?
M and a P.
Okay, good. I heard the m, which we know is the N and the P final blend. Okay? All right, very good. Okay, so now I want you to get out your reader, which is, what is fast? Okay? So it should look like this. Please make sure I'm going to erase my board, because now we're going to read a story with our final blends. Okay? Now, what you're going to do, you do not need this anymore. Okay? Put this to the side of your desk because you don't need it. Okay? I need you to get out your story. What is fast? Does everyone have that? Okay? Now, you are also going to need your highlighter. You do not need your pencil. So you're going to get your highlighter because we are going to find words with final blends, okay? And highlight them, okay? And then we're going to read, okay? So, following along with it, we're not going through our book right now, so we're just look at the front cover, okay? Let's all point to the title. Point to the title with your finger and follow along. I'm going to read it first, then you're going to read it. Here we go. What is fast? Let's read it together.
What is fast?
And I see a question mark, which means that I'm asking a question. Did you hear how my voice went up? What is fast? Okay, I'm asking a question. Fast has the ST blend at the end, okay? So I want you to take your highlighter and I want you to highlight the word fast, okay? Please do that. Now, this story was written by Ellen Tarlow. The person that writes the story is called the author. Everyone say author. Not Arthur. Arthur is a cartoon character. Author, okay? Illustrated by Julie Durrell. What does the illustrator do? What does the illustrator do? Who can tell me?
Make the book.
They don't make the whole book.
The letter.
Oh, let's hint talk.
The letter.
No, the author is the one that writes the letters and the words. What does the illustrator do?
The illustrator is the one who draws the picture.
Excellent job. Kiss your brain. Good job. The illustrator, illustrate means to draw. So the illustrator draws the pictures, okay? All right, let's look at our first page, page 2, okay? I see some words with some blends, okay? And we need to highlight them, okay? All right, I see a sp blend, don't you? Do you see the SP blend?
Yes.
I want you to highlight that word. That word is spin. What is the word? Spin. Does anyone else see another word that has a final blend on this page? Still on page 2. Nope, you need to go on page 2. Are you on page 2? Right here. We're still on this one. What's another word that has a blend and it's at the end of the word? What is it? ST. Do you see this ST? St. Let's sound this word out. Ast. What is it? Fast. Highlight it because it has a final blend, okay? You can highlight or you can circle. I'm going to circle so people can see at home. All right. Put your pointer finger on the word, on the first word of the sentence. On the first word of the sentence. See where my finger is? Thank you. Follow along as I read. Then we're going to read together. Here we go. Tops can spin fast. Let's read together.
Top can spin fast.
And do you see the picture of the girl up above? Do you see that? Do you see the tops that are spinning? Do you see that? Okay, let's turn to page 3. Oh, I see on page 3, I see 3 words that have blends. 2 of them have ending blends, okay? Who can find a word that has a blend? Do you see one? What 2 letters?
B-N.
I don't see a B. I see a D.
S and a P.
I see an S and a P. Do you see this word that begins with S and P? What does SP say? Sp. Sp. Circle it. Now, let's sound this word out. Sp-il. What is it? Spill. Everyone say it.
Spill.
Thank you. What's another word that has a blend in it? ND. Oh, I see a final blend with ND. Good, circle it. ND goes ND. Okay? Now, let's sound this word out. Here we go. S and ND. What is it?
Sand.
Sand. I see one more word with a final blend. What is it? Yes.
S-A.
No, S and what? Final blend.
S-T.
Very good. ST. I see an ST word. Circle it. All right, let's chop this word up. Are you ready? Here we go. I need everyone's voices. No one's participating. I'm not doing it by myself. Here we go. Ast. What is it?
Fast.
Okay, let's go back. Now we know the words. Let's read. Pointer finger underneath the first word. Sand can spill fast. Let's read together.
Sand can spill fast.
Very good. Okay, it's a telling sense. There's a period. And you see the boy in a sandbox, don't you? Okay, let's go to number 3. I only see one word. And in fact, it's a word that we've already read in this story that has an ending blend. What word do you see on page 4 that has a final blend? We've already read it.
S-T.
What word is this? Very good. It does have an ST blend. What's the word?
Nest.
What? Sound it out. You forgot your vowel. What letter is this?
A.
What does A say? Okay, let's try it again. Fast. Very good. Okay, let's go back to the first word. I see a short A, so I'm going to go am. What's this word? Pam. Point her finger at Pam. Pam and Will can zip fast. Let's read together. Pam and Will can zip fast. Okay, we need to be reading together, okay? This is how we learn to read, okay? All right, turn your page. We need to go to page 5. Okay, I see 2 words on page 5 that have a blend. One word has an initial or beginning blend. The other, we've already said this word. We should know this word now because we've read it several times. What word?
S-T.
And what's that word?
S-T.
No. What's the whole word? Sound it out. Fast. Thank you. Circle fast. Okay. What is another blend, another word with a beginning blend? It's not at the end, it's at the beginning. No, I don't see a P anywhere in this, on this page. Okay, now, it's not M-I, it is this word, but it's the first 2 letters. So what is it?
I-M.
No, at the beginning of the word. Were the first 2 letters.
S-W.
Good, what does SW say? What does S say? What does W say?
W.
Put it together.
Swim.
Swa. And the word is swim. Very good, so circle it. That has a beginning blend. Okay, now let's go and I'm going to read you the sentence. These have 2 names. Okay, can you read it? Nice and loud for me.
Jan and Bob can swim fast.
Good, let's read together. Here we go. Ready? Jan and, hold on, point to your words, please. Let's start again. Jan and Bob can swim fast. Okay, where are they swimming at? Who can tell me? What are they swimming in? A what?
Ocean.
I don't think it's the ocean because I see kind of like a wall right here with a bird on it, so it wouldn't be the ocean. What are they swimming in?
Pool.
A pool. Very good. What is the, now I see the word fast. I'm going to see if you guys know this. What is the opposite of fast?
When you go fast.
Well, that's the definition. Fast means you're going quickly. What would the opposite be? That means it doesn't mean fast. What doesn't mean fast?
Stop.
You're on the right track. You're going really what?
Slow.
Slow. Very good. Okay, let's go to page 6. Here we go. Oh, let me get my board. All right, there's only one word. Oh my goodness, I'm telling you right now. Let's see. Oh, my board shut off. Okay. All right, what's the last word? It has a blend. We've been circling it for a long time. What's the word on page 6 that we need to circle that has a final blend? Yes, what's the word? Fast. Circle fast because it has that final blend ST. Go ahead and circle it. Okay? I want you to go ahead. I want you to point to the first word, A. Okay? Here we go. I'm going to read it first. Follow along. A lot is fast. And we have to read with excitement because there's an exclamation point. So let's read together. A lot is fast. Okay. And let's go to page 7. Okay? Uh-oh, I see the same word again on number 7 that we need to circle that has a final blend. What is it?
Fast.
Fast. Go ahead and circle fast. Very good. Oh, here it goes. Pop back up. There we go. All right. Let's go. Now, this page has 2 lines on it. Can you read me this top line? What is this word?
Not dad.
Very good. Let's read together. Not dad. Very good. Can you read me the bottom line?
Dad is not fast.
Let's read together. Dad is not fast. Very good. So we had 2 words in this story that had final blends. I'm going to write them bigger. We all should know this word because we circled it I don't know how many times. What is this? Fast. And let's look at my other word. What word is this?
Sand.
Sand. Very good. So you guys have just read. I want you to practice reading the story. The more you practice, the better you read. Because remember, good readers do not read like robots. We read like we talk. Okay? So go ahead and you can put this up and put your cap back on your highlighter.